Are you currently using this BMW 5 Series F10 stock tail lamp? You can easily DIY and upgrade to this cool looking set now. You will need to unscrew all the 10 pieces Phillips head screw down plastic rivets and remove the clips using a prier tool. Now, you will need to unscrew 2 pieces of hidden Phillips screws holding the tools shelf. Loosen the plastic fastener for the tool shelf. Now you can undock the shelf and get it out of the way. Gently pull down the trunk blanket cover to access to the trunk lighting and connectors. Disconnect the trunk switch and light connectors. Unhook the buckle clip on the trunk arm. Unscrew the one and only hex nut from the lamp's bracket using a socket screwdriver. Next, disconnect the harness connector from the lamp. Now you can lift up the lamp to remove it from its bracket. To install the new lamp, hook the side catch first as seen here that the screw pin should be aligned with the existing bracket. Tighten the nut to secure the lamp onto its bracket. Reconnect the stock wiring harness. Repeat the same steps for the other side of lamp. In this scenario, the bracket came out with the lamp. Just transfer the bracket over to the new lamp. Tighten the nut to secure the lamp onto its bracket. Reconnect the stock wiring harness. Connect the extra signal cable from the left lamp to the right lamp for the timing synchronization purposes. To replace the outer tail lamp, we need to pull down the side trunk covers by removing 3 buckle clips. This type of clip is the push-in type where you need to pull out the top pin first before removing the button buckle clip. The final clip to be removed is located next to the trunk arm. Pull down the side lining cover and you will see 3 nuts that hold the lamp in its position. Unscrew and remove the 2 nuts located directly behind the lamp. Just loosen this 3rd nut and don't need to remove it. Pull the lamp backward slightly and slide sidewards to remove the lamp. Disconnect the harness connector. Transfer the 3rd nut from the old lamp to the new lamp. Reconnect the stock harness connector. Align the 3rd nut into its position on the side first and slide in the lamp. Tighten the 3rd nut first. Then move on to work on the 2 remaining nuts. Connect the new harness that sends the timing synchronization signal from the outer lamp to the inner lamp. Run the cable through the trunk arm. Once done, restore the side trunk lining cover and secure it, as we have completed the replacement for the left side lamp. Next, install the new rubber trim for the new lamp as provided in the lamp set. Now, we need to work on the outer right side lamp. Loosen the nut on the side of the lamp without removing it. Follow by removing the two nuts at the back of the tail lamp. Pull the lamp backwards slightly and slide to the side to detach it. Transfer the nut on the side position to the new lamp. Align the third nut into its position on the side first and slide in the lamp. Tighten all the three nuts that holds the lamp in its position. Install the new rubber trim and reconnect the stock connector to the new tail lamp. Next we need to run the new harness that sent timing synchronization signal from the outer lamp to the inner lamp through the trunk arm. Lastly, you will need to connect the extra power cable on the right side outer lamp to the fuse box by tapping on the 40 amp fuse as seen here. Without this step, the dynamic running light will not work. Now, that concludes the entire upgrade process, and feel free to DIY. Check out the cool animation when the car is unlocked at night. Here is the flowing turn signal lighting effects.